Okay, so on this question, we have a fraction, 2/7, to the x power equals 4, and we want to solve for x. So basically, the main idea is that x is in power. So whenever we see x up there in the power zone, we should think, oh, what's going to get that thing to drop down out of power? Logs, right? Natural log on both sides, because logs are the opposites of powers. So, all right, that's step number 1. Let's do it. Step number 1. ln both sides. We come in here. ln. And then that lets this power right here, this x, drop down to the front. Or I should just say the power, which is the x, drops down to the front, right? That's the third property of logs. Powers drop down to the front, don't they? All right. And so then what do we have? At that point, we have x ln 2/7 is ln 4, right? The x is out of power now. It's dropped down to the front. It's the greatest quality of the logs that the powers drop down to the front, okay? So now what happens in step 2? We'll just solve for x. This one's actually nice and easy. Just one step away from solving for x. What do? We divide by ln 2/7. Boom, boom, on both sides, huh? Just like that. And so x equals, and then just hit the buttons on your calculator. So I'm going to do that. So you can type into your calculator ln 4. Make sure you close the parentheses, are divided by ln of 2 divided by 7, like that. And hit equals. And so 4 divided by 2/7. I'm getting negative 1.10658. Did they say how many decimals? They didn't say. Usually they want 4. So this is the 4th decimal right here. This 8 tells me to round that up though, huh? Minus 1.1066. There we go. So that was pretty easy. When x is in the power zone, what gets it out of power is ln on both sides. ln on both sides, x drops down to the front, and then just divide by the ln 2/7. X is alone. There we go.